Secretary General Ace Magashule. He has been speaking to some community members. SG, the community here is saying that you've just come with this program, you didn't even consult them, and in fact you're coming to plant trees, and yet you didn't even discuss this with them.
No, the community says the leaders in this area, when we do anything, they want to be informed. I thought they know that we are coming. So their request is that let's plant more trees, come again. And they are right. These are genuine concerns. They want to participate. They want to participate in doing things together with us. What is wrong about it? I think it's the right thing to do.
Well, many would maybe say this shows that you're just trying to use this community to actually speak about your own political issues.
No. I've long said I'll come back. You were there yourselves as the media. I said we'll be back to plant trees, and that's what we are actually doing. We have 100 trees to plant. Today we said let's start with about 15 trees so that communities don't say we lied to them. All the time where I have gone throughout the country during elections, I've gone back. I will still go to Mpumalanga. That's the last area where I was because we promised young boys soccer kits. So in a week or two, I'll go and just deliver soccer kits. Otherwise, I can even send people. It's not that necessary that I must go. But when you have made a commitment as a leader, you must go back and do what you have actually promised people.
Speaking of commitments, you have 28 days to step aside, SG, and you said you'd be consulting former leaders of the movement. Just tell us then, you're live now on Newsroom Africa and other channels, just tell us who exactly you'll be consulting, when exactly are you beginning those consultations?
Well, I'll be consulting former leaders of the ANC, who are not just leaders, they are real veterans of our movement.